opening night for the Tunnel of Terror event at Tommy's Express Car Wash. And I guess Stacy Van Dyke and Alex Larson thought my car was dirty, made me try it out for myself tonight. Take a look.
Welcome to Tommy's. Enjoy the tunnel.
Creepy hand with
Oh, yeah.
I'm scared. He's gonna hide. Wait, there's somebody.
I hadn't seen that yet, and I wish not everybody had to. The Haunted House Wash is going to be open again tomorrow night and next Friday and Saturday. For a full list of participating locations, if you're brave enough like me, you can check out this story on our website or your free VNL News app.